Hi, BV Frontline Technology Solutions are providing lots of corporate laptops at a cheaper cost. And if you are interested to buy this kind of laptops, you can contact this particular number which is specified. And our company, Cashew Infotech. So they are providing lots of ethical hacking trainings and internships, online and offline internships for college students, school students, and everyone. If you're interested, you can contact that number. And we are providing online and offline technological courses in Chennai, and you can contact the number and you are able to see the list of courses available. And if you people are searching for job or any career guidance, if you need any help, you can contact us. We are ready to help you, and you can contact us and you can come to our office also. And here is my Instagram account. You can contact me via this Instagram account so that I'm ready to help you. Let's move on to the video. This is one of the best topics I'm going to talk about on Windows Strikes. This is Venkat from Wikitech and Cashew Infotech. I'm going to talk about the shortcuts. So for every technology and every software, we need shortcuts to make it the real faster and make the life faster. So I'm going to talk about like how we can create a shortcut in the desktop. So that I want to open a Paint. In that case, Control P or something like that, a shortcut I can make it out dynamically via Windows option, and I can open any software with a single like a button click. Let's move on. Hi, if you love this video, please subscribe to our channel. Just click the subscribe button and click that bell symbol to get regular notifications on our ethical hacking videos and tricks. And here is the like button. If you love this video, just give me a like to motivate us. And apart from that, if you want to learn ethical hacking, I want to become a cyber security specialist, sir. I want to safeguard the data. In the case, go to our website wikitech.com. Over here, you're able to click that ethical hacking tutorials. And now you are into ethical hacking tutorials. You got lots of cyber security related articles over here, which is directly written by me. And here is the articles on computer hacking, Google hacking and tricks, and everything is there. And apart from that, recently I started writing lots of articles on Kali Linux tools on penetration testing. So you can check all the articles, and if you want to check the recent articles of mine, here is the Kali Linux tutorial tools. You are able to see all kind of tools on penetration testing. Enjoy my articles, and if you want anything, you can contact me via the Instagram. And here is my other YouTube channels. If you love any of the channel, please give me a subscribe button clicking, and you can click the bell symbol, and you can contact me at any time for any guidance. Thanks for watching this video. This is Venkat signing out from Wikitech and Cashew Infotech.